How to edit metadata in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, go to the Audio Editing Tools section and select the Tag Editor. This tool is used to edit the metadata information of your audio files such as the song title, artist name, album, genre, and year. Now import the audio file that you want to edit. Once the file is loaded, you will see editable fields for different metadata details. Simply tap each field to modify or add new information. For example, change the song title, update the artist's name, or enter the album name. You can also add or change the album cover image by tapping the artwork area and selecting a picture from your gallery. This gives your audio file a professional and organized look. After editing all the details, review everything carefully and tap the Save button to update your audio file's metadata. Now you know how to edit metadata in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.